Copilot in Power Automate. Cloud Flows Designer with Copilot allows you to describe your flow in natural language, and it saves a lot of time and efforts that we do in Cluster Designer. So what Copilot in Power Automate can do for you? With the help of Cloud Flow Designer with Copilot, you can create flow based on prompt, set up connections on your behalf, apply necessary parameters in the flow based on your prompt. After initial creation, you can also modify flow later with the help of Copilot. So let's start our demo. There are a few predefined suggestions, but you can also write your requirement in natural language. For example, based on my prompt, it suggested me a flow which says when a row is added, modified or deleted. Since I mentioned lead, and lead is a table in my environment, and whenever I add, modify or delete lead, it will trigger. What action it will do? It will check for condition and send an email. If you like it, you can move to next, else you can also go for different suggestions. Show a different suggestion. In this case, it's showing a different suggestion to you, like when row is added, do this thing. It is up to you based on your requirement which one you have to choose. Let's take the first one itself and we click on next. Please notice that as my lead table in Dataverse, it is able to make connection, and also it is able to make connection with Outlook. Click on create. See, with the help of Copilot, we are able to get a wonderful experience with Copilot. We have our flow in front of us without doing any drag and drop. Let me give some parameters over here. As I mentioned earlier, apart from creation, you can also modify flow after creation with the help of Copilot. So let's modify this flow now. We have some options over here, like ask a question. You can ask any type of question, like for example, how we can connect cloud flow to Dynamics 365 sales. We got the answer. How we can all file flows. Fine. So answer will be context specific or in general as well. Let me try second option. Explain this action. So whenever you choose any action and you choose the option, it will show you explanation of this action, what it do. Read carefully. Similarly, if I choose this one, condition, fine. So it's quite helpful to understand what flow doing. If you want to understand what complete workflow is doing, you can do one thing. Explain flow. Now try something else. We also have option to add an action. Let me add an action. After sending email, send invite after 1 week. Here we are able to create the event. Parameters. Let's add one more action. You can see now we have mobile notification. We also have option of replace action with. We are replacing Here we are replacing mobile notification with calendar request. Here comes the event. So please notice that without any drag and drop, without doing any manual efforts, we able to get and modify wonderful flows with the help of Copilot. If you enjoying this stuff, you can give feedback for Copilot, like or dislike, and Microsoft will use your feedback for further enhancement in Copilot. You do not need to recreate a flow from scratch. If you have already defined flows, you can edit with the help of Copilot. For example, go to My Flows and choose your flow and choose this option, describe it to design it with Copilot. As Copilot in Power Automate is in preview, so please try this only in US environments. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I will be happy to solve your queries further. Please mention in comment box or refer my website, which I have given in description. Please subscribe to my channel to see such demonstrations. Thank you.